inform you about the reduced syllabus of SSC Board Maths 1 and Maths 2. Right? As you all were eagerly waiting what will happen if maths portion is going to be reduced or not. So yes, we are here with the reduced syllabus. Okay. So here I'll start with the Maths 1 first. Now this is the cover page of your Maths 1 textbook. Yes. So do one thing before starting with the session. Take your books, take your textbook with you, pen, pencil or any other marking material so that it will be easy for you to put the text or strike out the pages which are not there in the syllabus. Okay? And I had selected only those pages in this PPT which are not there, means which are reduced from your syllabus, that I had marked, that I had highlighted to show you in a very easy way. So let's start with the our video. Okay? Yes. In our first chapter, linear equation in two variables, what all things are being cancelled, we'll check. Okay. Now see on page number 2, we have example 1, which is being cancelled now. It is no longer existing in the syllabus. So sums based on this type of question will not be asked in exam. Right. Same way on page 3 also, second example was given. Cancel that part too. It is also not existing now. Cancel this. It has been omitted. Now, see on page 4, practice set 1.1. In that question number 1, complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. This part is not there. It has been reduced. So, cancel this part too. Means this sum will not be asked in exam now, or such sums will not be asked. Now we'll see the next page, that is page number 5. In that practice set 1.1, question number 2, these 6 sub questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 sub questions are reduced from your textbook. It means they will not be asked in your exam. But 7th and 8th sum is still there. Only 2 sums are there in this exercise, then 7th and 8th sum are still existing. Okay, so don't cancel them. First 6 sums are not there, cancel them. Okay, now see the difference. See the sum 99x plus 101y is equal to 499, and the second equation is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. It means what? We have to first add the equation, then subtract, so that we'll get 2 more equations, and then we can directly solve the sum for x and y. Such sums can be asked, but direct sum will not be there now. Okay, so cancel this part, first part, and 7th and 8th sum is there. Okay, now we'll move. See on page number 16 now. Equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in 2 variables. So when we reduce the equation and form linear equation, such type of questions are also being cancelled from your book. And on page 16, one activity was given to you. This has been cancelled now. Okay, it is no longer there in your book. So cancel it. Then we have page number 17. The whole page has been cancelled based on the same part. Cancelled. Now we'll see page number 18. Second example. Cancel this too. Page number 18. See what you can do if I am going a bit fast, because I have to cover maths 2 also. So you can do one thing. You can play and pause the video so that it will be easy for you to mark the pages. Okay. So I'll move ahead now. On page number 18 you have second example which has been cancelled. Then page number 19, practice set 1.4 and the whole activity part. The whole page has been cancelled. Page 19 is also cancelled. Then we are moving directly to problem set 1. Now problem set 1, in that question number 6 was there. This question number 6 was based on 1.4. As 1.4 is reduced, so this particular question is also reduced from the syllabus. It has been omitted. Okay, mark it cancelled. Page number 28, 6th question. All 5 sums. You don't have to solve them now. Okay. Now we'll move ahead for second chapter, that is quadratic equation, and let's see what is being omitted in this chapter. See page number 37. Solution of quadratic equation by completing the square. It means what? Completing square method is no longer there. Okay? So, खुश हो जाओ. नहीं है आपको completing square method now. So, here cancel this part now. Page number 37. Completing square method is not there. So, I think board has made the portion very easy now. Nothing is there in algebra. Page number 38. Whole page again you have to cancel. 39. Example 2. Second example. That too you have to cancel. All of this is based on 2.3 exercise, that is completing square method. Okay. So this practice set 2.3 is also not there. All the 6 sums are being cancelled. Okay. Mark them. Page number 39. Practice set 2.3. Now page number 42 for more information. This part is also being cancelled now. Okay. Now see here. One activity was given on page number 43. Solve the equation by completing square method. Now this equation you are not supposed to solve by completing square method. As the completing square method has been cancelled, so this activity is also been cancelled. But if you want to solve this equation by some other method, you can try it out. Now see here on page number 46 what is given. Relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. Okay. So here alpha plus beta and alpha into beta was supposed to be calculated. This part is being cancelled from your syllabus now. Okay. Strike that out. Cancel this page because this is no longer existing. Alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Such sums will not be asked in exam now. So cancel this part also. Now page number 47. Second example and third example, both are being cancelled now. Then page number 49, in that let's remember part is given. In this from second line, first and second point and nature of roots, this one, this much, ये dialog box which I had put na, highlighted, इतना आपको cancel करना है, this you have to cancel. And from practice set 2.5, question number 1, third sub question is not there. Third sub question is not there. It was related with alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So as that part is cancelled, this has also been cancelled now. So mark this too. Now see here on page number 50, you have fifth and sixth sum that is also been cancelled. Fifth and sixth sum is also cancelled on page number 50. Then problem set, question number 1, problem set 2, question number 1. In that sixth sub question of multiple choice, this is not there now. Okay. 25% बोला है लेकिन ना अच्छा खासा कैंसिल किया है. It's good. See here. Again in problem set 2, 10th sum is not there now. Cancel this 10th question. Cancel this 10th sum. Done? Now we'll see AP. Now in arithmetic progression, nothing is cancelled. The whole chapter is there existing. Okay, so we'll move on now. See here in financial planning, 4th chapter. What is the major topic that is being cancelled that we will see. Okay. So here we'll start with financial planning chapter 4. See here on page number 94. Directly come to page number 94. This for more information. This will not be there now. Okay. Composition scheme was given to you here on this page, which is not existing now. It has been reduced from the syllabus. Okay. It has been reduced from the syllabus. Page number 94. Same way, page number 96 for more information, that is integrated GST, is not there now. Okay. Cancel this page too. Then page number 97. What is there on page number 97? Mutual fund, debenture, bond. Yes, this is also not the shares, provident funds. This is not, means what? Your shares, mutual funds, sums based on that will not be there now. They are all reduced. Page number 98. Cancel the whole. 99. Go on cancelling. Cancel this. Strike out. Page number 98, 99, 100. Face value and market value. Sums based on shares. Page number 100. 101 is not there. 102 is not there, means practice set 4.3 is also not existing. The whole exercise has been reduced. Practice set 4.3 अब नहीं है. Okay, cancel it. See, brokerage 103, 104, 104, 105. Cancel. Go on cancel. 106, 107. Mutual fund. 108 सिस्टमैटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान. सिप भी नहीं है आपको अभी. 108 कैंसिल. सो now this part 4.4, we don't know why this exercise has not been cancelled. Maybe we'll get the updates regarding this because it was not there in the PDF file which we received. So I am not cancelling this, but as the previous part, if theory part is not there, then practice set 4.4 should also be not there. But let's check. अभी इसके बारे में कुछ updates आया नहीं है, लेकिन if this theory is not there, so practice set 4.4 should also be not there then. But as and when we'll get the updates about this page, I'll tell you. Then come at page number 111, problem set 4B. Problem set 4B is not there. Two problem set were there. 4B is cancelled now. Only you have one problem set, that is 4A. 112, 112 page number. Cancel the whole. Then we move to probability. Here in probability also nothing is reduced. So we'll move directly to statistics now. What is there in statistics that has been reduced? See here on page number 132 directly. Assumed mean method. You all know that we were having three methods to calculate mean: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation. So assumed mean method, and strike this out, 132 page number. Then we'll move ahead. 133 cancelled. 134. It is all related with assumed mean, and step deviation method is also not there now. It means what? We have to solve the sums based on mean by direct method now. Okay, step deviation and assumed mean both are cancelled from your syllabus. Okay, page number 136, cancel the whole. 137, and in practice set 6.1 we have only two sums left now. See here, sum number 1 and sum number 3. Rest all are being cancelled. Second sum is not there now. 4, 5, 6 is also not there. Okay. 138, practice set 6.1. First and third sum is there. Second sum, fourth sum, fifth and sixth sum, they are not there. So cancel them. Now we'll move ahead on page number 159. It is given reading of pie diagram. Means what? Two things were given in pie diagram also. First one was to construct and the second one was reading of pie diagram. Now construction part is still there existing and reading of diagram is being cancelled. Now sums based on reading of pie diagram will not be asked in exam. See here on page number 159, whole page has been cancelled. 160, cancel this too, and 161, this part. It was the remaining calculation of page number 160. So cancel this part too. Okay. Now we'll move ahead in exercise. And see on 164 page number, 5th and 6th sum from the exercise, they are not there. Cancel them. 5th and 6th sum, they are not there. Okay. 164, 5th and 6th sum are no longer existing. Cancel them. Then 165. 2nd and 4th sum. Sub question. 4th and 2nd and 4th sub question. Of what? Of practice problem set 6. Problem set 6 will not be there now. Again, question related with reading of pie diagram, that is 14th sum from problem set is not there. 14th sum from problem set, page number 167. See here, this is the last page of our textbook, means of this chapter, that is page number 168, on which 16th sum, again with the reading of pie diagram, problem set 6, in that 16th sum, it is also not there. Okay, so by this we come to an end to this topic related with the reduced syllabus of Maths 1. In the next video, I had prepared the reduced part of Maths 2. Okay, so have a look in that too. Thank you.